All right, everyone. This is Brandon in Mexico, and I want to show you this fun, cool place I found. It's on Instagram. We're about to eat it. It's off Potemkin Avenue. The highway is right over there, so is the beach. It's very nondescript building, right? All you see is a couple tables and chairs. It's Old Dirty Boy cheeseburger place. We're basically in a neighborhood. Beautiful neighborhood. Everything's beautiful in Mexico. You got condo association, fashion studio, and then you have here. I mean, it's super cool. From the tables, the chairs, they got good music playing, got white stripes, beautiful plants, by the way. You walk in, nice little place. It's air conditioned, which is always a plus on those hot days. Probably one of the cleanest kitchens I've ever seen. I'm going to show you guys the menu, and then I'll post it up too. So I got a cheeseburger with an egg. We got the Old Dirty Burger, and we got the Papa's Old Boy fries. So we're starting with. It's a perfectly simple menu, and that's what you want. Ice cold beers. I mean, ice cold, right, Ames? Super cold beer. I'm drinking water because I had some surgery, but let's see how it is. This place is really, really cool. So I bet you the food's going to be amazing. Oh man.
Yes, Pacifico?
Yeah.
Oh man, look at that. That is insane. Yeah. So normally I don't ever video, me smashing a giant cheeseburger all the time, but their fries are on point. Very, very good fries. Okay, go. We're gonna start, I think, with just the classic here. Looks really good. That is a very solid cheeseburger. All right. Now, for that, Amy's going in. Sorry for the. Is it good? All right, let's see. That sauce is awesome on it. It is really, really good. Guys, you have to come here. It is really good. I'm going to tag him in this post too. On Potemkin. I showed you guys the outside. Awesome food. I'm going to go back to eating.